Okay, so let's look at more examples. Let's look at, let's see, 51 times 73. So as always, we're going to look at 51 first, and then we're going to determine. We want a whole number, right? So what is a whole number closest to 51? You preferably, if you have a preference, you want to go numbers that have zeros on it. So let's see, 50 or 60, right? Closer to 51. But 51 minus 1 is 50. And 51 plus 9 is 60. So what is closer? 50 is closer. And now let's look at 73. 73. So what do we have? What numbers with zeros do we have close to 73? We have 70 or 80. Okay, so 73 minus 3 is 70, or 73 plus 7 is 80. What is closer? 70 is closer. So now let's do the multiplication right here. So we're going to do 70 times 50. What is that equal to? 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 7 equals 0, right? And you want to do this. 5 times 0, that's 0. 5 times 7, what is 5 times 7? 5 times 7 is 35. So then you're just going to do an addition. We're going to have 0, 0, 5, and 3. So if you want to estimate what is 51 times 73, a good estimate is, well, it's close to 3,500.